Commander, welcome to the fleet. Here I will brief you on the game currency of Infinite Fleet, called INF. INF is similar to game currencies you may already be familiar with, such as World of Warcraft Gold. However, unlike traditional in-game money, INF is seamlessly connected to the real-life digital economy because it is in fact a crypto asset issued on a sidechain of the Bitcoin blockchain. More precisely, INF is issued on the liquid network developed by Blockstream. This second-layer technology allows for faster settlement times as well as confidential transactions. If you are unfamiliar with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, do not worry. We have designed the INF token in a user-friendly way so that using INF in Infinite Fleet is as easy as using any traditional game currency. In fact, no prior knowledge of cryptocurrencies is required unless you decide to transfer your INF to an external wallet or exchange. INF is used for peer-to-peer trading of in-game assets such as spaceships, skins, unique items, and resources on the Infinite Fleet marketplace. We do not employ a pay-to-win model, so you can be assured that such economic activity is driven by player-created benefits. Another unique property of the INF currency is that it has a fixed total supply, similar to how Bitcoin has a fixed total supply. INF will be awarded to players via in-game events in what we call proof of participation. This is our version of proof of work, where your participation in the game generates INF. Commander, thank you for watching. Subscribe to our newsletter and stay tuned for more updates. Until then, have a pleasant journey.